All right, my son came in the room there for number 3. This is number 4. Same idea. We're writing an equation. So it says, write an equation that represents the relationship between the number of drawings, D, and the amount of minutes, M, that it took just Genesia to make her artwork based on the table below. Okay, if I'm going to write an equation, the first thing, well, remember, we usually write equations like this. Y equals, and then whatever the COP is, times our X. It's a little confusing with all these X's. If I want to find my COP, the easiest way for us to do that is we can take a Y value and make a fraction. That'll be our numerator, and our X value, that'll be the denominator. So I'll take a look right here, this first point. So now this doesn't tell me X and Y, but I always know that my X is the first column and the Y is the second one. So here I see a 3 for my Y, and if I look over here, I see a 5 for my X. So 3/5. That's my COP. Now, if you knew that this was the same as 6/10, that's great, and you could use that too, but we're going to use 3/5. Y equals 3/5 times X. Now, some of you got to here, and that's great, but you forgot that we also have to use the variables that it's assigning us. So instead of using X, I see the letter M here. I'm going to write an M where I had an X. We're going to keep the 3/5, and instead of the Y, it's asking us to use D. So D equals 3/5 times M. You don't have to put that multiplication symbol there, but I did. Or you could have just written D equals 3/5 M.